In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly deploy your Laravel project onto a hosting account. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end, your Laravel application is live and running smoothly. Let's dive right into it. The first task in our journey involves preparing your Laravel project. We'll start with exporting your database. If you're working on a local server like XAMPP or WAMP, a handy tool for this is PahaMiAdmin. Through PahaMiAdmin, you'll want to export your database as an SQL file. This file will contain all your essential data that needs to transfer to your hosting server. Once your export is complete, the next step involves compressing your entire Laravel project folder. Create a .zip archive of the folder, but make sure you exclude the node modules directory if you've run npm install locally. Don't worry about the dependencies right now. We'll handle those later on the server side. Now that we've prepared the project, it's time to turn our attention to setting up Hostinger. Begin by logging into your Hostinger account and navigating to the hPanel dashboard. Once there, your first task is to create a new database. Navigate to the Databases section and then MySQL Databases. Set up a new database along with a user and password. It's crucial to remember these credentials as they will come in handy shortly. With your database in place, access the File Manager from hPanel. Open up the public .html directory. This is the section where your website files will reside. With the Hostinger setup complete, let's proceed to upload your Laravel project. Using the File Manager's upload feature, upload your compressed .zip file of the Laravel project straight into the public HTML directory. After the upload, right-click on the zip file and select Extract. Ensure the contents are extracted directly into the public HTML folder. By doing so, you're setting the stage for your website to be live. Now, move into the extracted project folder within public HTML, and you'll notice a public folder. Move all of its contents directly into the main public HTML directory. This is a crucial step as it allows your website to be accessed from the root domain effectively. If you wish, you can now delete the empty public folder and the original .zip file to keep things tidy and organized. The last step on our agenda is importing your database. Head over to the Databases section in hPanel once more, and access PahaMiAdmin. Here, you'll select the database you created earlier. Navigate to the Import tab and, using the interface, select your exported SQL file. Finally, click Go to import your database tables and data into Hostinger. And there you have it, a thorough, step-by-step guide to deploying your Laravel project on Hostinger. Whether you're doing this for the first time or need a refresher, following these steps ensures your project is up and running in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy deploying!